Good day, everyone. Today, we are presenting and demonstrating a phishing incident investigation report with my classmate. So this is our IT cybersecurity team members involved my group mates. So this uh, Mary Andre Y. Arabi, and then also uh, Hazel Joy Bastida, and together with Reggie Lemuay and Kim Joy Yagma Arado. So this phishing incident investigation report demonstrate by what link or what I'm in, ano yung i-investigate namin. So please Andre Arabi.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Litanon. So, as you can see here, we have the phishing incident, okay, investigation report. Okay, so we have yung i-investigate po natin dito ay yung ano, okay, pakitaas mo na yung ipakita mo na lang yung email. Yan, yung report. Mr. Litanon, pakita yung email, yung may picture. Okay. Okay. Yan. So we have here that as we can see here that K. Rejoice Waga has received as suspected phishing email with the information below. So we have here is the email at the picture, right? So there is a message and also a link or a URL. So the URL will go the URL we use is we use this URL to investigate. The URL we see here is we're going to investigate this using the tools, and if this is a malicious link or not. So Miss Arado will introduce us to the tools that we're going to use for the investigation. Miss Arado.
First, we're going to Chrome and search virustool.com and enter lang natin. Andito makikita natin yung file, URL, search. And then, pag file lang yung kailangan, click mo lang yung file. Enter. And then, papunta tayo sa URL. And search lang natin dito yung http /waterscrease.bus. Then, search lang natin. And then dito makikita natin dito yung malicious, suspicious, at clean. Clean. And makikita natin dito yan lahat. That's all.
So based on their output detection in this virus total simulation, so this website detect that this is not malware or malicious software or mga this is not a virus. So uh, as you can see here, there are detection based on their output. So in Webroot, malicious and voice point, these are suspicious, and so on are a lot of clean output. So I think this is not malicious or a malware based on the output provided. So next, we are going to demonstrate other tool like this that detect on malware link or other documentation. So can you perform Macy's?
So we proceed to another tool. So we go to zolo.skiller.com. So wait lang natin.
So wait lang natin guys. Loading pa yung internet natin.
Excuse me, Mr. Litanon.
Yes.
While waiting po na lang dun sa isang tool, may question ako. Can you explain why the other tool can say that is not a malicious? Anong score ba dapat yung anong score ba dapat para masabing malicious or suspicious yan na link?
So thank you for that. So based on this website or this tool, Virus Total, so they provided score 1 out of 97%. So they have a 1%. So I think based on the output detection on the below your this detection, vicious and suspicious. So I think this is not malware because they detect 1 out of 97%. So I think they consider malware if the output is 4 out of 97. So actually three and more, that is malware. So based in this output, as you can see the output score or community score. So they have a 1%. So out of 97. So that is not a malware. So that's all. So
So let's proceed.
they
Let's
repeat the
continue.
Zolo scalar. Miss Bastida, please.
Okay. So i-repeat lang natin yung link na ginagamit natin kanina, yung waterstreakquiz.buzz. So dito natin malalaman if may malware ba siya or harmful content. So dito natin tested for security risk. So can you put and analyze? Sorry po, apakahina po ng internet namin. So ito na po. So the website waterscreens.bus was tested and security risk. So naka-indicate naman dito na this site is completely safe with a security score of 0 out of 100. So, meaning nito is walang threats ang nakita natin. So, as you can see, the green bar in the test result, so it confirms that there's nothing risky about this site. So, we conducted this today, May 15, 2025, and it marked as completed. So, this website has no malware, no viruses, and no security risks detected. So, that's why 0 out of 100.
Yes. So now we'll proceed to uh, conclusion based on their report, because the test results are 0 out of 100. So uh, in recent, they put 1% out of 97% in the virus total website or the tool. So here, Zscaler, they uh, they provide output 0 out of 100. So it means this is this URL or this link are not malware. So we are proceed to Mr. Lumuay to discuss the conclusion, please. Yes, thank you, Mr. Lumuay. And that's all for today and tonight. And thank you all for presenting this meeting and the or in this report. So bye guys and thank you, sir. Night guys, bye.
Thank you, sir. That's all.
Bye.
Thank you, bye.
That's all. Bye.